Alright, so first I gotta put the bait on the pine needle. Okay.
This is Master Fisherman Jen Crawford.
Turtle whisperer.
Move it, like, go to the side a little.
Right here? Right here?
Yeah, right there. That's good.
You can zoom too on the video. Like if you put your fingers on the screen.
Yeah, I know how to do it.
Yeah. Want some bread? Good trick. It's like,
This will be
bullshit.
perfect if he actually gets it.
It's like, man, they used to just throw it in the water. Now I gotta do tricks.
No, that would have been perfect. Like, I got, like, the cat's ears. And it was zoomed, like, right on the turtle and the bread.
I was biting it now. You want some bread?
I kind of want that shit. It's been in the water.
It smells like turtle. Give me some of that.
Turtle's a delicacy, Mila. People pay a lot of money for that
I
shit.
think the turtle finally realized that I was making him work for the bread. All the water for him to get it.
It was going good. Alright, I'd paused it.
Alright.
Coming back.
Come on. I gotta like tap the water.
I think it's recording.
Oh, that's a new one.